Huh? Is that a honey or what? AK-47. When you absolutely, positively have to waste every single motherfucker in the room, except no substitute. I can see you like this, definitely. 7.62 by 39. It's an assault rifle, but it's still light. And talk about reliable. Frank, I could throw this off the roof. I could run this over with my car. I could bury it in the dirt and dig it up and it'll still fire. That's how reliable that is. Best mass-produced combat weapon ever made. Look at this. That fits you. Look at this. You're friggin' Rambo, man. Look at that. Look. I love it. You know what? You don't even have to aim this thing. It's a spray and pray kind of weapon. I mean, what's better than that, right? Now, the one thing is, this is not a cheap weapon. This is an assault rifle. So we're looking around $2 grand for this. So I don't know if that's in your budget. But what I will do, I got 3 fully loaded 30-round mags in here that I will throw in for that $2,000. That's a steal for a weapon of that quality. Now, is this something you can afford?
Yeah, I want the case, too.
Oh, hey, great. You know what? Is there anything else I can get you while we're talking about the gun? Blow? Mess?
I won't take all that they hand me down and make out I smile though I wear a frown. And I'm not gonna take it all lying down, 'cause once I get started, I go to town. 'Cause I'm not like everybody else, no, no. I'm not like everybody else. I'm not like everybody else, well, I'm not like everybody else. And I don't want to live my life like everybody else. And I don't want to be destroyed like everybody else. And I don't want to get a job like everybody else. 'Cause I'm not like everybody else. You see it, what I am. Darling, you know that I love you true, and I'll do anything that you want me to. I'll even confess all my sins like you want me to. But there's one thing that I can't do for you, 'cause I'm not like everybody else.